Hello. Hello,
Teacher.
Candy. Oh, hi, Candy.
Hi, teacher.
Good evening, Candy. Can you hear me?
Teacher.
Yes.
Mẹ.
Teacher hết long
Teacher.
long year
Yeah.
like a
Abby.
rabbit.
Okay, rabbit. Very good. All right. The teacher Jennifer is a rabbit. All right, rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. Okay. Good evening, Candy. How are you today? Are you happy?
Là con con.
Yes,
Yes.
very good. Yes, that's great. So Candy is very happy. Happy. All right. So now, Candy, let's continue with our class. Okay? Okay, Candy. So we have here now. Look in the picture. Okay.
Teacher.
Yes. What is that? What is that, Candy?
Okay, no matter. Focus. Focus on your
All right. So let's focus with our class. Okay. So Jennifer here, our teacher, has an activity. Okay. So in this activity, yes, we have an activity. So I want you to listen. Now, we have here, or you are going to match and then say. Okay. Candy, match and then say. Okay. Now this one. I go Candy. I
Nói to lên con. I
can
Can
draw.
row.
draw.
Yes, all right. This is
I can row.
very good because picture number one is this one. All right, draw. Very good.
I can draw. Tôi đang vẽ.
Yes, nice
I,
one.
I can jumping.
You can do jumping. Yes, Candy
Can
can
jump.
do. Yes.
That's fun. This picture.
I can jump.
Yes. Okay, so I can jump. I draw. Number two, this is I go.
Can dancing.
Yes,
Can
jump, jump,
bạn giải
jump,
bạn.
dancing, dancing,
Dance.
dancing,
I can dance.
dancing.
I can dance.
I can dance.
This one, I can.
I can dance.
Okay, very good. Okay, now your turn. Okay, teacher Jennifer will just listen to you. Okay. Yay! Very good. Go, Candy. So we have here I
Can row.
go.
Draw. Very good. I can draw.
Can jumping.
Number two. Number two, go.
I
Can
jump.
I can jump.
Okay. Perfect. Number three.
I can dance.
Mm-hmm. Okay, good job. So this is, what is this? What word is this? Dance. Go, Candy. Candy, go. Dance.
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 Con nói
One.
cho cô. Dance.
Jump,
Dance. Da.
jump,
Jump.
jump,
Jump.
jump. This one.
Jump. Baby.
Yeah. Jollibee. Right, we have
Draw.
draw.
Jump.
Draw.
D.
Draw.
Draw.
Jump.
Okay. Awesome. Good job,
Teacher.
Candy. Oh, yeah, I forgot to. High five. Yay.
Wow.
Yay. One hand, one hand. Good job, Candy. You're doing great. Next. Okay. How about this one? What? Look and say. This is
Rồi, á. Đấy.
ah.
Đứng rồi con chọn ra con nào.
Can you?
Đúng nha.
Yes. One more.
Yeah.
Can you?
Ah. One last. Go, Candy. Amazing.
I can do.
High five. Perfect. Nice one. Bravo. Bravo. Next. This one, Candy. Okay. Look.
Viết chứ.
This one.
Can jumping.
Jump.
Jumping. All right. This is
Yeah.
jump.
I can jump.
Yeah. This is
Yeah.
jumping. Yeah. This word is jumping. Candy. All right.
Oi,
This one is jump. Okay.
Jump.
jump.
Yes. They are all the same.
Can
However,
you?
yeah, they are all the same. However, the situation is just different. All right. So this is I can
I can jump.
jump only jump.
Jump.
I go jump.
Jump.
Yes. All right. Very good. Very good. Next. Okay, this one.
I can dance.
Dance.
I
Okay,
can dance.
Okay, one more time.
I can dance.
All right. All right. I can
I
dance.
can dance.
Okay, perfect. All right.
Oh my god. Cái này là gì?
Đấy, con đọc đấy.
All right. So we have here, you are going to, okay. What picture shows, yes, so what picture shows, Candy? Look in the picture, Candy. Okay, look clearly, carefully. All right, so teacher Jennifer has an activity for you. Now, which picture shows, I
Con nhìn vào bức tranh. Không, cô nhìn vào bức tranh để cô nói.
am
Đây con. I can walk.
I can walk.
okay, which picture? Number, which picture?
Num-
Right. Letter, what
D.
letter? Sorry. Letter.
That's a D.
Wow, amazing. All right, so it's the letter D. Now this one, go Kathy. Let's read. I
I can dance.
yes, I can dance. Which picture?
This one.
Letter
B.
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 Okay, perfect. The letter B. Now this one. I
I can jumping.
Jump.
jump.
I can jump.
Yes. Which picture shows jumping? Letter. What letter
That's
can be?
That's
The
the
letter?
C.
Yes.
C.
Letter C. C, 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 C,
I love
C.
you.
Okay, now the last sentence we can I
Pen.
can
Pen.
Pen.
Pen là vẽ giống
All right.
draw ấy con.
p,
Can
p.
pen.
Okay, one more. P, paint, paint.
Pens.
Letter.
Letter I.
Okay,
Letter
perfect.
I.
The letter A. Yay. Okay, so this is correct, Candy. This is correct, correct, and correct. Wow. 4/4. Amazing, Candy. Good job. Give me the biggest high five. Poof, 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 poof. Okay, very good. Next. All right, so we have Again, this one.
Pen.
Pen.
Okay, perfect. This one, Candy.
Pen. Pen.
Great. I can dance.
Pen. Dance. Can dance. I can walking.
Walk.
Walk.
I
It's,
can
it's not walking. It's only walk. There's no
I
ing.
can walk.
Okay.
I can walk.
Walk. Just walk.
Okay, cái này là I can walk.
I can
Alright.
walk.
Okay, perfect. Let's read one more time. Go, Candy.
I can walk.
Okay, perfect. Oh, this one, Candy.
I can jump.
Okay, jump, jump, jump. Next, we have this one. Oh, all right. Look in the picture. So we have here.
I can paint.
Next, this one.
I can dance.
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 Okay, this one.
I can walk.
Oh.
Walk. Only walk.
Is that
I can
walking?
walk.
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 Cái này là I can walk.
I can walk.
Okay, very good.
I
Next.
can jump.
Yay! All right. Okay. Okay, good job. Wow. You're doing, yes. Yay! Good job, Candy. Very good. Okay. Yes, Jennifer is so happy. All right. Now let's proceed, Candy, to your second topic or lesson for tonight. Okay. Give me 1 second. Mhm. Mhm.
Teacher, saying
Yeah, okay. Give me 1 minute.
Trời
Mhm.
ơi,
Cái
Just
chọn
a
cái
minute.
này ra mà anh cái chọn thấy cái rẽ thì không
Đâu?
học.
thế không biết.
Okay, so this is our new
Good. Không biết cái này gì.
yes.
Con đợi một tí. Wait a minute.
All right, Candy, can
That's
you
that.
see my screen? Yes. Right? Can you see the screen here? Yes. Say yes. Okay. Say okay if you can see it.
Okay. Okay, teacher. Cái này
All right.
I can
Good.
see.
Okay, so
Teacher,
you
I can see.
I can see teacher.
okay, so you would say yes, teacher.
Teacher,
I can
I can see you.
see. Okay. Yes, teacher Jennifer. I can see it. Okay. So now let's have our energizer again. Oh, we have here. What happened? I cannot play this one. All right. Anyways, oh, what happened? This one.
A song.
Go.
Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful.
Wonderful.
Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm tired.
I'm tired.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry, Candy.
I'm not so good. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you?
Yay! All right. So
Hello.
thank you so much, Candy. So let's
Hello.
proceed now. Let's continue. Oh, all right. Look in the picture. Yes, Candy. Look in the picture of teacher Jennifer. What can you see in the picture? Hi, go Candy.
Hi.
Chưa chưa.
I can see.
I can
Oh, yes. What is this?
Con nói đi. I can see.
I can see.
Con nhìn thấy cái gì ở bức tranh? I can
Yeah, what
see.
are they doing?
See. Good that. I can see
Pa.
that.
All right, there is Daddy.
Daddy.
Who's this one?
Mommy.
Daddy, Mommy, and the
Sister and
baby.
yes, the sister, brother, and baby Candy. Now, what are they doing?
they are.
They are.
Họ đang làm gì đó? They are.
Go,
They
go,
are.
go. They are.
Pizza.
Dạ.
Yes.
I
They
can
are.
have pizza.
You like pizza?
Do you like pizza?
No.
Yes. No, you don't like. Oh.
I like ice cream.
Ah, you like ice cream? Yes. All right. So Candy doesn't like pizza, but she likes ice cream. Yum yum. Okay, but teacher Jennifer
Teacher,
likes
I like dog.
like duck.
Dog.
Oh, you like to eat duck? No. What do you like to eat? You
I like
like?
to eat
What do you like to eat? Ice cream and
and chicken.
chicken, right? Fried chicken, right? Have you tried to eat Jollibee chicken?
No.
No, you don't like
Chicken.
chicken only.
Chicken banana.
Chicken and banana, all right? Chicken,
Chicken
banana, chicken, banana, chicken. Okay.
banana.
Okay, okay, let's focus with our class. Okay. So now, Candy. Okay, so we have here daddy and then mommy and then brother, sister, and the little. All right, so they are eating a pizza. Okay, you would say, okay, follow me. They, go Candy.
Đấy. Con đọc đấy.
They are eating
Eating.
P.
Pizza.
Pizza.
Okay,
I
perfect.
can eat pizza.
Đó.
You can eat
Giấy.
pizza, but you said you don't like. All right,
No,
again.
I don't like pizza.
Yeah, you don't like.
I like ice cream.
Yes, Candy likes ice cream. What is the flavor of the ice cream that you like, Candy? You like?
I like strawberry.
Oh,
Strawberry
oh,
ice cream.
really? You're the same with my son, all right? My baby also likes strawberry. Okay, now
I have
that's your
mommy and sister and daddy.
yeah, mommy, daddy,
And
and grandma also. Ah, your grandma is there. Grandpa also.
Grandpa.
Oh, okay, that's great. How about your
Uncle.
I have uncle.
uncle also? Oh, do you have a little brother or sister?
No.
Sister.
No.
I have
Sister.
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 You have you have a big sister. Oh.
No, one sister.
A big sister.
No, baby.
Baby. You're the baby. Hello.
Yeah, baby sister. Hello, teacher.
Hello, big sister. Yes, because Candy, you are the baby. You're the baby sister of big sister.
No, baby.
Oh, no, baby.
I have babies.
Where? Where is your baby? Do you like a baby?
I have sister pink.
Mm-hmm.
Say
Do you?
Daisy.
Daisy.
Her name is Daisy.
Daisy.
Ah.
Daisy Ellen.
Mm-hmm.
And
Ah,
Candy.
I see. All right. So, do you have a
Daisy
pet?
and Candy. Sister.
Daisy and then Candy. Oh, all right. So that is your big sister's name. Okay. So I have also a sister. My sister name is Lovely. Yes. And then I have also a little brother because teacher Jennifer is the sister, big sister. I'm a big sister like Daisy, right? So,
I have Candy.
oh yeah, you have Candy. So no, you are Candy. You say I am.
I am Candy.
Yes, very
Candy.
good. Okay. So now, okay, let's go back to our class, Candy. We have here the
The
fa family.
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 Yes,
Is
is
Family.
in
In
the
the
ki
the
kitchen.
kitchen. Kitchen là cái đấy.
Okay,
Kitchen.
one more time. How do you read this
kitchen.
one? Go, Candy, go. Ki ki kitchen.
Kitchen.
Say it one more time. Kitchen.
Kitchen.
Okay, perfect. So one more, the fa
Chờ cái nào. Ở.
The
family. Go, Candy.
family.
Is
Is
in
The
the kitchen. All right. So they are in the kitchen, right? They are not in the bedroom, Candy. No. They are not in the
no.
living room. No, Candy. So they are where? Where are they?
I don't know.
Ah. They are in the
I am Candy.
kit kit
This
kit
here
kitchen.
kitchen.
Yes. All right. Okay, kitchen.
Kitchen.
Okay, perfect. Now this one. So they are, or
They are.
they
They
make
are. Me.
p- pizza
Pizza.
to to
To. To.
together.
Teacher, I don't see you.
đây này.
Huh?
Ở đây
All
đây,
right,
wait a
this one.
minute. Okay, okay,
They
okay.
they
Rồi. They
They
m m
b
make.
make letter M.
b
Yeah. M
b
M
make
make.
make
Go, Candy. Make.
Make.
Make
make
pizza. Yeah, pizza
pizza
to
To không ấy.
together.
together.
Yay! Good job. Now your turn, okay? It's your turn to read. Okay, I want you to read so that you will gonna practice really speaking English. Okay, Jennifer will just listen. Go, Candy.
Teacher
The
can be just 4 years old and she doesn't recognize all the letter. Yes.
okay. All right. So,
No, I found it.
Oh,
Do
just
you want to
tomorrow.
change the
Bye.
material? Okay. Do you want to change the lesson, mommy? Do you want to change the lesson, mommy?
Yes. Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay. So let's have. Okay, no worries. Wait. Jennifer has a lot of books. Don't worry, Karen. Candy. Wait.
Okay.
Yes. Wait. This one is good for you. Wait.
Sorry, teacher. She doesn't
Okay, mommy. No worries.
recognize
Okay.
all the letter. Yes.
Yes. All right. So we have here. Okay.
Bimbi. Yeah,
Nice. Yes, nice. Okay.
yeah. Candy.
Okay. We could have also this one, Oxford. Okay. All right.
Oh
How
my
about
God.
this one?
At sana tulong ka
That
na.
English alphabet, mommy. Is that okay?
Yes. Letter.
All right.
Letter
Very
I.
good. Yay! Very good. So we have here. Okay.
I
Look.
is apple.
Wow. Very good.
Page 4.
Ah,
Ah.
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 This is the ah sound.
Yes. All right. So we have here. What is this, Candy? Look in the picture. What can you see? This is an app. Apple. 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 Yes. What is the color of our apple, Candy? Color. What's color? This one. This is color. Go, Candy, go. Color red.
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 Red. Okay, very good. Oh,
Teacher.
yes, our time is done. But we still have a makeup class tomorrow, okay?
Goodbye, teacher.
Good night.
See
See you.
you. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye, Candy. Good night. Mwah. You can sleep now. Let's have a class tomorrow with this lesson. I know you like this one. Bye-bye. Good night.
Bye-bye, teacher.
Yes, good night, Candy dear.